Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap again. So today I'm obviously at the church, going to be doing a bigger batch, and I'm going to be using a color theme that I've done before, and the inspiration came from a website that I use for work. And I'm going to have four colors. I'm going to have white with titanium dioxide. It's not a super bright white, it's more of a creamy off-white. I'm going to have a dark navy blue, and I'm going to use Crafter's Choice Blue Oxide as well as black oxide to get the navy. Then it has a light blue, so I'm going to use Nurture Soap's Brilliant Blue with a little bit of titanium dioxide. So those are the three colors: white, navy blue, light blue. And the fourth is sort of a goldish color, and I'm using Crafter's Choice Yellow Oxide. And I'm going to fragrance this with Midnight Waters from Brambleberry. Used it for a long time, but hadn't again until just recently, and forgotten just how much I like it. It has a really complex smell. I just really can't even describe. You just have to try it yourself. I really can't describe it. But I like it because it smells great, and it really holds a good, strong scent in soap, and it doesn't lose any of its notes. It smells pretty much out of the bottle the same way it does in cured soap. Brambleberry says it accelerates a little bit. I've never had that issue, but I'm going to play it safe and just hand stir it and probably just do a simple drop swirl, and I might do the chopstick swirl. We'll just kind of see how the batter behaves, but doing the heat transfer method. So I got my oils here and my scalding hot lye water, so let me get everything mixed up and I'll be back when we're ready to start. Okay, I'm back, got everything split up, I'm ready to mix. So went ahead and put the colors inside, but I haven't mixed them up yet. So this will be my white, this will be my gold, this will be my light blue, this will be my dark blue. Most of these are oxides. Actually, they all have oxide in them, so they have to be stick blended. And this batter, once again, has only been hand stirred, not stick blended at all. Okay, and the palette looks good. I'm happy with this. So let's just give things kind of a stir around the edge. Make sure those powders on the side got in. I'm only going to hand stir my fragrance. we are ready to pour. Since we're getting a little on the thick side, I'm going to smack it down one more time. And on the top, we're just going to go... I'm losing my train of thought trying to do too much at one time. Because I forgot who we're going to go. And it's right on the tip of my tongue, so it's kind of bugging me. clean that up just a little bit. And I'm going to give that a squirt of rubbing alcohol to prevent soda ash. And I'm going to let it sit 5 minutes, squirt it again, wrap it up, and put it to bed, and I'll see y'all tomorrow for the cut. Oops, get the cord out of the way. There we go, yeah. Okay, it's the next day, and I'm back, and it's time to cut our soap. Everything went really well with the pour. The batter was a little thicker than I anticipated, even before I put the fragrance in, so I ended up doing the chopstick swirl. I've gone ahead and split this, and each log is distinctly different. One of these looks like I may have gotten too much swirling in the center. The middle log looks nice. Well, okay, there's too much swirling. I'm not sure what the individual bars will look like. But the other end bar looks good. So we'll cut all three and see how the individual results vary. So this is the centerpiece. Somebody didn't clean his soap cutter after using it last. I wonder who that was. And all my washcloths are in the sink, soaking clean, so oh well. Ooh, boy, it's hard. Oh, yeah. Nope. The centerpiece looks nice, very unique. Okay, so let's cut the end pieces and see what we have. So this is the one that has a lot of the swirling there in the center, the muddling. Let's see what this one looks like. Actually, the bars themselves look nice. And each one's uniquely different. I got glycerin rivers in the titanium dioxide, but it won't show. And it's no big deal. With this much swirling, that just kind of adds to the character. In a situation like this, glycerin rivers, in my opinion, are no problem. And I didn't even wrap it. I didn't insulate it. It's cool in this room, too. The heat's not on, and it's been cool outside. So I'm kind of surprised I got glycerin rivers. That's very rare for me. And finally, let's cut the other end piece and see what it looks like. But so far, I'm really happy with these. Yep, each log is distinctly different. And this one, or the end piece, doesn't have glycerin rivers. The center log obviously retained the most heat and got the hottest, because I have no glycerin rivers in these. This is near the end of the log, so it got the least swirling with a chopstick or pencil in my case. But anyway, I am really happy with this. And I already know from previous experience this fragrance is great and it really holds its scent nice and strong. So I'm really pleased with these. And that's what I have for this week. And like always, thanks for watching. You all stay safe. Take good care of yourselves and be blessed. I'll get a picture uploaded and I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.